doing my late night shopping after work. This should last me for at least more than 2 weeks, hopefully, because I eat a lot. Let's just jab them. I've already picked up some manure. I picked up some sugar. That's actually from Pounder. I already picked up some cabbage. So I'm gonna try Tesco's version of this crochet bread slices. It looks good. I've never tried it before, so I'm going to my next oil. Well, I'll put out some apple. What else is on my list? Okay. Let's see what else we can get. I'm gonna get oat drink. So I'm gonna get this, but I don't need any this time around because I'm not drinking milk. Well, I need cereal. I'm gonna get some eggs. These are at £2.40. Just gonna check that it's all intact. Yep, nothing's broken. Then I'm gonna scan it. Oh, where's the barcode? It's on the other side. So it comes up on my screen here. Yep, got it. So I need washing detergent. So I'm actually gonna try this Tesco brand. I'm shopping on a budget today. No name brands for washing detergent. I'll get this one. So it's on my screen. Oh, it's loading for all. Here we go. I'm gonna get some cling film. This is the one I'll get, the 25 meter for 150. That's it. There we go. Bag. I'm just going into our phone now. Work my way around. I don't think there's anything in this aisle that I need, but I'm just making sure I go in. So basically I'm just following each aisle around instead of just going to random places to find things. Just it makes it easier and quicker for me to get things instead of jumping from one place to the next trying to find something. Just go around and take what I need from each section. So I normally get these yogurts, these Greek style yogurts here. I'm not getting anything today because I've got some at home. So there's some options of yogurt and stuff. I'm gonna get some cheese, but I'm not planning to make anything this month of cheese, so I won't get any cheese. So we'll leave that as that is. I'm gonna get some green giant sweet corn. I'm gonna get 2. All 5. This is chocolate. I've already got some Maltesers. I've got cereal at home already. I think so. So I want to get here. Oh, I think I've got enough chocolate. I'm definitely gonna need some cappuccino to keep me awake at work. So let's see what's here. I don't know what I want to try. I know I'll go for Nescafe, but I won't be getting Nescafe today and try something different. this cappuccino. It tastes so good, but I'm not buying it for £1.75. I'll wait for it to go back to deal and buy it in bulk, but this tastes so good, but I won't be getting it. What can I get now? This looks good as well, but not gonna get that. See, I'm sure they used to come in a pack of 10, but now they do 8, so I don't know. Unless I'm mistakenly thinking they used to come in 10. But I'm sure I used to get some in 10. But hey ho, I'm going to aisle 6. Popcorn. I'm gonna get these onions because they taste so good. I don't get tired of, you know, sometimes you have crisp and you just get tired of it. This I don't get tired of, so I'm gonna get this one. So just scan that in. That might be. I'm gonna get some bacon. That's fine, but I don't need these. I don't feel like getting these. I'm not craving them today. Well, I only buy what I crave, and I'm not craving it. So I'm gonna get a pack of Kit Kat. It's the ones. What are the ones that you get? Like, so 2 bars, 2 things with original. £1.95. Where's the 14 pack? Is that 14 pack? Oh god. Found it. Here's the 14 pack for £1.95. I'm gonna get this one. Scan that in. There you go. I'm gonna put this back because I'm just gonna get the multi-pack 10 pack bags. There's more in this one anyway. This is 170 and this is 150, so this is 45 and this is £1, but it just keeps everything fresher if I just buy this smaller pack. So let's see what's my total. I'm gonna get some hoops, get £1.75, which I took off, 6 cents in. So, obviously not, this is actually on sale, so I'm still getting it now. One on sale, it's club card price 150, so I'm just gonna buy it so it's out of the way. I'm gonna get some of these malted biscuits. I'm gonna get 3 packs. 49p each, so all 3 are on there. Yep, 3 for £1.49. I need £1.47. I'm gonna get some lean beef, 5% fat. That's £3.19. That's good. Okay, got it. Something else here I want. I'm gonna get salmon, but not from here. It's like so stupid, ridiculously expensive. Yeah, I'll get salmon here. Salmon looks pretty good. So I normally get this bacon, street bacon, because I make this with my steamed cabbage, but obviously I got some at home. I don't need that. I've got quite a lot left to use. I'm gonna get some olive oil. I'm gonna get the Tesco brand. Like I said, I'm on a budget. I'm not trying to. Normally I'd get this one, but it's on a budget. I'll be trying to save now because we're trying to invest our money. So we're gonna get this. Scan this in. In my bag. I know my trolley's a bit of a mess, but I understand my trolley. get some juice and water. So I'm gonna get 3 of these pineapple juice. Where are these? So these are my 3. That's 1. I'm scanning. These waters here. 1, 2, 2 of these blueberry juices, they're £1.25. What? Ocean spray. And the total is $39.13. I'm gonna add these ocean blueberry juice to this. So 2 pounds on my list. So now my amount's going to 41.63. My limit was 50, but I think I might go on 50 because there's things on my list that I haven't got yet. I'm gonna get some mixed juice. I'm gonna get some mixed juice. I'm gonna get this one. But I've got some at home, so that's fine. So £2. Sauces. I need a nice salad dressing. I might try this one actually. I'll try this one. So I'm going to take this. No rice, apart from the tuna rice. I normally get tuna, but I only get the big pack, and it's not even here, and it's gone up in price. It's only £12 with your club card, and now it's £14.50 with your club card. I am not buying that for £14.50. It's ridiculous. Now I'm forced to go over this section at this 1 kg rice. I have no choice but to get this, but I'm going to have to start shopping at Sainsbury's online because Tesco is getting ridiculous now. I'm going to buy this, but my next shopping will be online at Sainsbury's. This is definitely going to drive my budget high, but I have no choice. I have no rice, so I just want this one out until we see anything else. We'll get it. So it's made on this price go to 46.63. So I'm not happy about that, but hey, so I actually found the rice section in the section, but they still don't have the rice that I want. So I'm gonna check over here. Long grain. I don't see no basmati rice. That's the organic basmati rice. Anyway, I'm gonna get some pasta. I'm gonna stack up on pasta because they haven't pasta in a strong time that I don't want to keep going back here again. So I'm looking at empty shelves. So I'm gonna stack up on pasta. I'm gonna get this macaroni one. I'm gonna get 2 big cups. Yay! Scan these in. 1 and 2. I'm gonna get spaghetti. I'm gonna get this one. Scan it in. I'm gonna take this out because this is 165 and it's 1 kg. 1 kg and it's 165 with your club card. However, this is 95p, but for 2 it's 150 and it's 500. 500. So I'm gonna get 2 of the 500 and it's 1 kg and that's 150. So I'll save a bit of coins on that. So let me remove this from my basket. So remove, yes. Remove item. Yes, I want to remove that. That okay. I'm gonna scan these 2. So we got 2 for 150 club card price. That's only perks about the club card. You get the discounts. I normally get corned beef, so it's $3.50 for the princess corned beef in here. But I'm not making corned beef for the rest of the next few weeks, so we're getting corned beef. Okay, so the only thing I didn't find was my channel is tuna, so I'm gonna have to leave that because the time's running out. I need to get home. I've been here over an hour and I passed my limit. So let me just go. I'm gonna get some prawns. So just keep going to 50. I'm gonna get some and then they get garden peas as well. Some of these are the ones. Which one is this? 1.6k is I get some bird's eye burgers. I don't know if we have one, so I'm just gonna have these little chips. So yeah, it's £2.50 I guess. Yep, £2.50 for these. And these in. Where's the food? to £60. There it is. End of my shopping. I'm gonna send my stuff out. So yeah. So that's me done. Now.
Thank you for shopping at Tesco.
So yeah, this is my bill. You came to £62.18 with all the discounts. Now I'm just gonna book a taxi because as y'all know I don't even drive. So taxi, here we go. Taxi. Oh, the taxi thing is here. Hello, hi, could I have a taxi? I think this is the front where Costa is and Card Factory is at the front. Yeah, Chantel. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Okay, that's us done. Let's go wait for a taxi outside. I'm gonna wait for my taxi down here. If my trolley don't run away from me. It's so heavy, flipping neck. I started to pack out some of the shopping already. So yeah, I'm gonna do the rest now. Out. So altogether it took me like almost 2 hours because I was trying to video and do other things at the same time. It's the longest I've actually spent trying to get such a small amount of shopping. But yeah. These. So put my stuff in here. So that is everything that I bought today. Doesn't look like much now, it's all on the countertops. But yeah, that's added one less problem.